Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 35. Dear students, today we'll learn about concept of cold and hot. Cold and hot describe the temperature of objects. Some things can be cold in temperature, while some can be hot in temperature. Look at these pictures. In picture 1, the ice cream has cold temperature. In picture 2, the burning sun has hot temperature. Let's enjoy activity time. Write H for hot and C for cold. The iceman wearing a muffler is cold, so write C in the circle. The burning candle is hot, so write H in the circle. The ice cubes are cold, so write C in the circle. The spicy soup is hot, so write H in the circle. The glass of soft drink is cold, so write C in the circle. The iron for pressing the clothes is hot, so write H in the circle. The burning fire is hot, so write H in the circle. The igloo made up of snow is cold, so write C in the circle. The tea kettle is hot, so write H in the circle. Respectable teachers and parents, explain the difference between cold and hot with the help of examples from everyday life. Also, show flashcards displaying the pictures of different objects showing cold and hot objects to improve the children's understanding about temperature. At first, practically demonstrate the concept of cold and hot to involve the children in a live activity to name all cold and hot objects they see in their immediate surroundings. Appreciate the children for their involvement in classroom activity and great interest in knowing about temperature. Thank you.